Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about mixed fractions. Look at the number 2, 1 by 3. Yes, it's just a one number. We have seen number like 2, it's a whole number. 1/3 is a proper fraction where numerator is less than the denominator. The denominator is greater than the numerator. This mixed fraction is simple to understand. It's the sum of these two parts, 2 plus 1/3. It means whole number plus fraction, the whole part and the fraction part. Let's write the whole part a bit differently. 2 can also be written as 6 by 3. If there is nothing in the denominator, we can write 1. And to make denominator same of both the numbers, we just have to multiply the denominator and the numerator by 3. Can be written as 6 by 3 because 3 times 2 is 6. And we write 1 by 3 as it is. When two fractions having the same denominator, we can simply add the numerator over the common denominator like this, and it becomes 7 by 3. So this mixed fraction can also be written as an improper fraction where numerator is greater than the denominator. Let's look at a very interesting way of understanding mixed fraction. 2, 1 by 3. We represent this 2 as 2 wholes, or we can say 2 whole pizzas of same size. What about the fraction part? 1 by 3. We can use 1 by 3 part as the fraction part is 1 divided by 3 equal parts. If there is another whole pizza, we will divide it into 3 equal parts. All these pizzas are divided into 3 equal parts, but if we are talking about 2, we are talking about 2 whole pizzas. And for 1/3, we are just considering one part out of 3 parts. Now we have 2 whole pizza plus 1 by 3 part. These two circles can be looked in a different way. We have divided this circle into 3 equal parts. Nothing changed. To represent the 2, we shaded the 2 circles. We shaded 6 1 by 3 parts. If you see, there are 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts of 1 by 3. We can say 6 by 3, and here it is 1 by 3. Adding both, we will get 7 by 3, or we can say there are 7 parts of 1 by 3. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 parts of 1 by 3, or we can say 7 by 3. So nothing changed. This is also 7 by 3 and this is also 7 by 3. So mixed fraction is very easy. We can convert mixed fraction in improper fraction in this way. If there is 2 1 by 3, which you also know its answer, which is 7 by 3, we can say the denominator is 3 as it is. We will multiply 3 with 2 and add the 3 multiplied 2 is 6 plus 1 upon 3. 6 plus 1 is 7 and the denominator as it is. it is also 7 by 3. Let's do another one. If there is a fraction 5 2 by 5 and we have to convert it into improper fraction, we can simply write denominator as it is, this one. We will multiply 5 with 5. 5 5s are 25 plus 2. And the answer becomes 27 by 2. Let's do the questions now. Convert into improper fraction. How can we convert it into improper fraction? 5 multiply 4 is 20 plus the numerator, that is 1. The answer is 21 by 5. Next, denominator is 4. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. Next, denominator is 3. 3 multiply 9 is 27 plus 2. Answer becomes 29 by 3. And now the opposite one. How can we convert into mixed fractions? This is improper fraction and we have to convert it into mixed fractions. How can we convert it? For this, we just have to remember that we have to write it into quotient, remainder upon divisor. What is this now? As you know, we can divide 14 by 3. 14 divided by 3. This is divisor. This is dividend. Dividend is the number which is being divided and which is divided by 3, that is divisor. Now let's do the division. What comes in a table of 3, which is 14 or less than 14? Yes, that is 12. At 4, 3 4s are 12s. Subtracting 12 from 14, the remainder will come as 2. This is remainder and this is quotient. Now Q R upon D. So our answer is Q, which is quotient, 4, R, which is remainder, and D is divisor, which is denominator. Now let's do this one. 8, 27. 8 3s are 24. 3, denominator remains the same, quotient, which is 3, and remainder, which is also 3. Now we will do addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. First we have to open this. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 by 2 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 7 7 by 2, which you can add easily. Denominator remains the same, 15 plus 7. So our answer will be 22 by 2. Next one. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. 3 2s are 6, 7 by 2. In this, the denominator is not same. These are unlike fraction, and what we have to do in addition of unlike fraction, we have to make the denominator same. We can make the denominator same by multiplying 2 with 2. What we have to multiply at the denominator, we will multiply it also with the numerator. So 11 by 4 plus 14 by 4. Now you can add it easily. Yes. Now let's do the subtraction. We have to open it. Let's do it together. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33 by 4 minus 4 2s are 8 9 then 4 33 minus 9. Answer will be 24 by 4. Next, 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 7 is 71 minus 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. We have to make the denominator same, so multiplying it by 2. 4 2s are 8, 14 2s are 28. Multiplication. 7 3s are 21 plus 5, 26 by 7 multiply 9 4s are 36, 37, 38, 39. We just have to multiply it, or we can cut it if they are coming in some table. We can also cut it. 2 2s are 4, 2 13s are 26. Now we just have to multiply it, which is 507 by 14, or we can multiply 26 with 39. So our answer will be 1014. 7 4s are 28. Both the numerator and denominator are even numbers, so they will come in the table of 2. So we can cut it, or we can divide it by 2, dividing numerator and denominator both by 2 to reduce it into lowest form. Dividing it 14 and dividing it 507. So our answer is same. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 into 2, 5 by 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 7 plus 1 7, 7 by 2. 5 7s are 35, 2 2s are 4. Now division is the last. Let's do it. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 15 by 2 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 by 3. Denominator is 3, so we are writing 3. What is the opposite of division? Yes, multiplication. So we will change this sign with multiplication, but we have to make the changes here. The numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. So 3 by 13. Now we will just have to multiply it. 2 13s are 26, 15 3s are 45. Okay. Next, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 by 6 divided by 6 2s are 12 plus 5 17 by 6. Changing it into multiplication, we just have to change the position of numerator and denominator. The denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. If we have to reduce it into lowest form, then we can cut 6 with 6 as both coming in the same table, or we can just simply multiply it. 25 6 are 150 and 6 into 17 is 102. I hope you understood today's topic. That's all for today. Thank you.